Okay, boys and girls, today I'm going to try to do a fun sharpen the saw activity. A couple of days ago, Mr. Gearhart put out on Facebook a challenge for us to try to draw either this tiger or this Pikachu, and it gives you detailed directions on how to draw them. So I decided that I was going to try to draw the tiger. Now the directions say, this cute tiger is composed of some simple shapes that you are familiar with. By keeping drawing projects simple and symmetrical, they will help you feel more confident as you learn to draw and explore more of their abilities. And it says the materials to use for this are drawing paper, a pencil, and markers or crayons. Well, I don't have any markers at my home, so I'm going to be using a pencil and crayons. Now, when I look at the first example, I see that the page is divided into 4 equal parts, and I know that's to help me make the picture symmetrical. Symmetry means it's exactly the same on one side to the other side. So what I'm going to do to make my page have equal parts is I'm going to fold it in half one direction. Then I will open it up and I will fold it in half the other direction. And this is going to give me grid lines, which will help me make my picture more symmetrical. Now I know that my picture is not going to be perfect, and that's okay, because we're not looking for perfection, we're looking for having some fun. So the directions say to draw an oval for the face. Now I'm going to be honest with you, this is what I am most concerned with. I am not really good at drawing the oval shape, primarily because it's kind of hard to get it symmetrical. But this is what I came up with. So this is my oval shape. Next it says draw the necklines and the nose. So the necklines are going to be the straight lines coming down here, and the nose, you go under this middle grid line and then evenly on the grid line going down the middle, and draw a little shape like that and a little shape like that. So now we have our nose. Next it says add lines above the nose. And so I notice when you're adding the lines, it's going about halfway on either side of our grid line. So I'll draw here and then here. And like again, this isn't perfect. We don't have to be perfect. We're just having a good time. Then it says next draw the cheek lines, and the cheek lines start at the top of the nose and they go out a little bit past the neckline. So I'll draw that one and then this one. And then it says to add ears. So I'm going to add ears by making a little half circle right here. Then I'll draw another half circle over it. And then the other side, I'll draw a half circle here and then another half circle over it. So now I have my ears. Then it says draw triangles around the face. So it looks like there's a couple of triangles around the ear, some more over here by the cheek, and then one down here by the jawline. Now I always find it's easier to draw on my right side than on my left side, but even though it's harder, I'm still going to go for it and draw me some triangles on the left side. Okay, then next it says to draw 2 eyes and a mouth. And the eyes are really simple. They're like the bottom half of a circle, and the mouth looks kind of like a smiley face. And then last it says to add the whiskers. And I notice that all the whiskers are down in this section, so we'll go ahead and draw one here, and one here. And then on the other side, because remember we're going for symmetry, we want it to look really close to the same on both sides. And so those are my whiskers. So next we are supposed to color it. And while I color it, I was thinking, why did I pick the tiger instead of picking the Pikachu? And I thought, well, I was probably attracted to the tiger because my son used to play both basketball and baseball for the Neelyville Tigers. And so I've got a lot of tiger in me from that time of my life. And then also, I used to teach at Clearwater Elementary School, and we were tigers there too. And I even drew a tiger and painted it on my son's wall, and I will show you that picture. I will drop it in above this video so you guys can see it. But I am sure you don't want to watch me color all this, so I'm going to speed up the tape until I'm finished coloring, and then after I'm finished coloring, I will show you the end result of my tiger. Okay, so this is my final tiger. I hope you like it. And now if you would like to also try to draw this tiger or the Pikachu, you can go on our Facebook page and you can find the directions for the tiger and the Pikachu. And I'd like to invite you guys to go to our Facebook page and find these directions, and then underneath the directions, draw your own Pikachu or tiger and then drop them in the comments. Either that or you can drop them in the comments under this video. And so until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sharpen the Saw activity. I love and miss you all, and I'll see you later.